Hi, I'm Terry McClure, an analyst with Enterprise Strategy Group. I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking to you about NetApp's recent announcements regarding its jump into the cloud computing fray and its new ONTAP 8 operating system. ONTAP 8 combines NetApp's very well-known and widely deployed 7G operating system with its GX scale-out platform and brings them into a common code base so that now that NetApp can deploy common functionality across both, such as SnapMirror. With this common code base, customers also get a way to common management tools between the two. A very familiar look and feel now when they're using one versus the other. And I say one versus the other because that's still kind of how it's deployed. When a customer orders ONTAP 8 and deploys ONTAP 8, they've got a choice of two modes. They can either use 7G mode or GX mode. One is scale up, the other scale out. This choice between scale-up and scale-out deployments allows users to match how they deploy the system with the throughput, bandwidth, performance requirements of the application that they're using it to support. So it makes the system very flexible. So why is NetApp combining ONTAP 8 with their cloud announcement? Well, that's a pretty straightforward question. Scale-out platforms will be the foundation for cloud storage moving forward. Scale-out brings a number of operational advantages to the table. First off, you get very high utilization rates with scale-out storage because no matter how many nodes you put into place, as you scale and continue to add nodes, you maintain a single system image for the cluster. So you're maintaining your resources as a whole, and you're really overcoming the barriers between boxes. That allows you to share the storage and share the capacity amongst all the requirements. So that really can up the utilization rates. Additionally, because you're adding nodes as you need them, users can ride the price-performance curve and add nodes and scale up and add capacity as it's required over time instead of buying today for 6 months' worth of capacity. That way, as prices decline month to month to month for disk drives or processors, users get the benefit of that declining technology price curve. On top of the better utilization and being able to ride the commodity pricing curve, it's also very quick to deploy and provision new capacity with scale-out systems. So you can really be flexible in what you deploy and when you deploy it. It really starts to create that liquid operating environment that's going to be required for an efficient cloud storage environment. The other things NetApp included in its announcement today were secure multi-tenancy, and that's a key capability for Cloud Storage Foundation. But not just cloud storage, it's usable in the data center as well, and that's what's really important about the NetApp announcement today. They talked a lot about the cloud, but really they're announcing technologies that'll create a more efficient data center that can be deployed today as data centers start to evolve into more of a cloud-type capacity-on-demand environment. And secure multi-tenancy is certainly part of that. That's built on the multi-store platform that allows IT to pretty much containerize the storage per department and isolate it from storage for other departments in a common array. It works kind of like server virtualization that allows you to containerize virtual servers and run a bunch of them on a single physical server. That's what multi-store does for a storage array. They've taken multi-store and combined it with SnapMirror functionality and the data provisioning functionality, and they're rolling out a new feature called Data Motion. And this Data Motion allows storage managers to containerize entire tenants or the storage for an entire departmental unit or an entire division and manage that storage division by division in a container and move that from storage array to storage array to storage array. That's kind of cool if you're a geek, but what does that do for the business? It allows you to have nonstop operations because all the operations like rolling over into a new system, deploying new capacity, scheduled maintenance windows can be done because you just take the tenants that are living on that storage array and you move them over in whole. It really creates a virtual and liquid operating environment for users and truly divorces the physical from the logical view of storage and provides full mobility for nonstop data access. NetApp also made it very clear that they don't intend to be a cloud storage service provider. They'll be providing the underlying storage infrastructure to enable efficient cloud storage services to be delivered. Cloud storage may or may not be a reality. There's been an awful lot of buzz, and it's really high on the hype cycle right now. Probably so high that the vendors won't be able to deliver up to users' expectations in the near term. Users aren't going to see highly protected data, highly mobile data, and all the enterprise class features they're used to in their data center from a cloud storage service provider today. We're just not there yet. But even with all that buzz, the really cool part about this announcement is, and all the discussion about cloud, is that it's putting attention on efficient data center practices, on things like scale-out storage that really can improve the utilization rates and really improve the manageability and the flexibility of the underlying IT infrastructure. So with all the buzz, it's probably overhype around cloud storage right now, but the best part of this is it's putting the right focus on the right technologies to enable IT to be more efficient in the near term, while we continue to build the technologies to allow cloud storage to really truly deliver an efficient IT experience for the enterprise in the long term.